In the previous exercise, we explored the fundamentals of using voice triggers in experience design. In this exercise, we're going to look at combining both tactile and voice interactions. Along the way, I hope you will see there are a number of potential possibilities when it comes to combining these two interaction methods. Let's get started. So the assumption here is that a tourist is in Beijing and the hotel has placed an Alexa device in the hotel room. We're going to wire up how a tourist might book a tour of the local sites. So the first thing we want to do, of course, is get ourselves into prototype mode. And we're going to drag a wire from the home screen over to the tour screen. Now the trigger is going to be voice. And the command will be, what tours are available today? The action, of course, will be a transition. And we're going to go over to the tours artboard. We're going to slide left. We'll use that snap easing with a duration of 0.3 seconds to get us going. So just to be sure that we've done all the right stuff, I sometimes just like to check. Yep, that's there. Okay. The tours artboard will be wired up a little bit differently. In this case, the user can either touch the Forbidden City image or even click it, or use their voice to view the Forbidden City artboard, which is down here. Now there's one small problem. There is nothing on the screen that tells the user what to do. Let's deal with that and have Alexa present the choices. Select the tour screen, and you'll notice there's already a wire here, this gray one. If I click it, we're just going to add a time trigger with 0 seconds. The action, of course, will be speech playback, and the instruction will be what to do when you're in this screen. It will be to view the tours, either tap a picture or say the name of the tour. Now we can select the image, and it's going to be a tap, so we're just going to drag a wire from the image down here, and we're just going to say it's a tap. And the transition will be slide left because it's coming in from the same side as this one. And we'll stay with the easing and the duration. Now Forbidden City is going to be a little bit different, so we're going to select the text, we're going to open it up, and we're going to say the voice is your trigger, and we will type in Forbidden City. And we're going to, of course, go to the Forbidden artboard. And we're going to slide left, of course, and we'll stay with the same easing and the same duration. So we've got these two artboards wired up. Now we've got to wire up Forbidden. Select the Forbidden artboard, and let's add a time event to this artboard. So we'll just click that, and you'll notice I've already got one in there for you because I'm a nice guy. So we're going to use time as the trigger with a delay of 0 seconds. We're going to use speech playback as the action. And you're going to enter to book a tour, click the Book Now button, or click the Go Back button, or say Go Back to return to the list of available tours. Now we're going to click the Go Back button so we can just go back here. And we're not going to use voice, we're going to use a tap. And everything is the last event, so that's good. But now we've got a problem. We know that we can't attach two wires to the same object. So here's how we're going to deal with it, and it's a little teacher trick. I want you to come to Design View. I want you to select a rectangle, and I'm just going to slide over here. And we're going to add a rectangle just in here. And we're going to set the fill and the border to none. And we're going to name it Go Back Voice. And then when we come to prototype mode, we can use an invisible element to actually go back. So we'll just click the trigger and we'll add voice. And the command will be, of course, go back. And the transition will be the previous artboard. And let's now test it. So I'm going to start with the home screen. Click the playback button, and let's see where we go. So I'm pressing the space bar. What tours are available today?
To view the tours, either tap a picture or say the name of the tour.
I'm going to press the space bar. Forbidden City.
To book a tour, click the Book Now button or click the Go Back button or say Go Back to return to the list of available tours.
I'm going to press the space bar. Go back.
To view the tours, either tap a picture or say the name of the tour.
And there you go. In this exercise, we've provided both voice and tactile interactions. We use the artboards to provide clear verbal instructions and use the elements on the artboard for the interactions. We also discovered the value of an invisible element when using voice interactions. We are in the very early days of voice interactions, and immediate use, of course, is in the realm of accessibility, though I suspect that as experience design matures, voice interactions will become even more robust and applied to use cases that will inevitably appear.